Hello, my name is Audrey.
And my name is Tom, and today we are cooking with kids. Hey Audrey, what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make some peanut butter and jelly sandwich and a daddy snack.
What's a daddy snack?
When daddy puts peanut butter on top of the celery.
Oh wow, that sounds really good. I can't wait. Okay Audrey, you ready to start making your sandwich?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's hard to get peanut butter out. There's that. A little bit more. Away. Cause the nervous, huh? I wonder how my brother's gonna like this one. I hope he doesn't hate it. Now I'm gonna get the jelly. Get the jelly. I'm a jelly monster. The jelly's a jelly monster.
I'm the jelly monster.
Don't eat me. I'm too scary for people to eat.
It does look pretty scary.
It's not Halloween yet.
You're right.
Guys, tomorrow's Father's Day.
Oh yeah, you gonna make something for Father's Day too?
I did. It's in that bag over there.
Oh wow.
Away. Crust of furnace.
A little extra peanut butter. Is that what you're going for?
And some more jelly on there. You want it on both sides. I think that's my first time. This is my first time, Daddy.
I'm proud of you. What's your favorite part about making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches?
Eating the stuff off the knife.
So what's the secret to making a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
I don't know.
Where does the magic come from?
From the bed?
Magic comes from the bread? Okay.
This is gonna be delicious, I bet. But Adam's gonna clap. Adam's my little brother. He's 1 year old. I'm 5 years old. And I'm gonna put it together. And the humor's gonna go deep in. Away. What's that arm? Definitely how to wash my hands after this. Broke his part of his head.
You want to make some celery sticks? Some daddy snacks?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Cause some sticky. Wait, do we put it like on here or in here?
In there. On the inside.
Okay. How do pudding inside? I guess I'm the best at celery. Okay.
Hey, don't.
Thumbs up and subscribe. Can we do one of these every day?
Sure.
Daddy. Daddy, you sound funny. These are not hands for TV.